And the pages that we are going to do today are the pages that we are going to do today are 33, 34. Okay, these are the two pages that we are going to do, and today you have the homework, and the homework page will be 35. Question number 1, 2 and 3. I'll show you the pages. Okay, now let's do the quick revision. Now is the sound clear? Can you all hear me? Okay, so now let's do a quick revision of the numbers. Okay, so let's revise the numbers from 1 to 10. So how many bicycles you have here? 1. And how many apples? 1, 2. How many ducks? 1, 2, 3. How many grapes? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many balls you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many ice creams you have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6. Now, how many parrots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have here 7. Now, how many flowers you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have here 8. How many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have here 9 oranges. And how many globes you have here? Let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many you have here? 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the numbers. Now, let me explain you the addition now. You all remember the addition? Now here, this is our addition lesson for today. Lesson number 1.4. Let me explain you. Now, question number 1. 6 ants and 2 more ants. So 6 ant, you have here 6. What is this sign called? It is called plus. So 6 plus 2. So 2 more ants. So this is number 2. What is the name of this sign? It is equal to, equal to. So 6 plus 2. So let's circle the number. Don't forget to circle the number. It is 6 and 2. So what do you have to do next? Draw the circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2. So how many circles here? 2. 1, 2. Let's count this all. How many you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 6 plus 2 equals? It is 8. So let's write here. 8. Did you all understand how to do it? It's 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now moving to question number 2. Students, can you hear me or no? Okay, so question number 2. Let me explain you how to do this. Now, again you have 7 bugs and 3 more bugs. So what you have here? 7 bugs and 3 more bugs. So circle number 7 and 3. So you have your 7 plus 3 equal to, you have to find the answer now. So how we are going to do it? So circles first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many you will draw here? 3. So 1, 2, 3. You have 3 here. So let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is 7 plus 3 equals to? It is 10. So let's write here number 10. So did you all understand how to do it? Now moving on to the next question. I am just explaining you the lesson. I will let you know when you have to open your book, students. Okay, everyone? For now, put your pencils inside your book and listen to me, okay? Now here, question number 3. There are 4 green grapes. So what do you have here? There are 4 green grapes and 4 red grapes. You have grapes here which are green in color and red in color. So how many grapes are there? Now you have to find the answer. How many are there? So how do you do it? First circle the numbers 4 and 4. So we are going to write here number 4. First let's write here 4. Now what sign will come here? Is it plus or equal to? You will write here plus. So let's write here plus. Is it correct? Yes. Now, what is 4 plus, again which number? Look here. You circle one more number. It is again number 4. Yes, very good. Those who are answering, excellent. Now, 4 plus 4. What are you going to write here again? Which sign? Plus or equal to? Yes, it will be equal to. Now, what is 4 plus 4? We have to find the answer for 4 plus 4. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Very good, everyone. The answer will be 8. So this is your answer. Very good, Laima, Zainab. Excellent. Your answers are correct. It's 8. Now, the next one. Now again, the next one. There are 3 birds in the park. Some more birds join them. So some more birds come and join them. Now there are 5 birds in the park. So there are all 5 birds in the park. Before there were 3 birds and some come and join them. Do you know how many come and join them? No, you have to find the answer how many come and join them. So let's see. Circle the number 3 and 5. Look, 3 is already here and the 5 is the sum. So now what you are going to do? Draw the circles beside the sum. So how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So what is the number here? Number 3. So let's circle number 3. 3 dots. So you're going to circle the 3 dots only. Now how many remaining? How many dots are remaining here? Let's do the counting. 1 and 2 only remaining. So what will be the answer here? So 2. 2 is the answer. So how many birds come and join them? It is 2. So now 3 plus 2 equal 5. So 3 plus 2 equal 5. Did you all understand how to do it? Now, let's move on to the book pages. Now you have to open your books, everyone. Now open your books, page 33. Now open your books, everyone. Page 33. Open it. Everyone, open your books. Page 33. Now first, let's write the date on top of your book. CW. What's the date today? 8, 9, 2020. So write the date. So did you all finish writing the date? Now let me show you how we are going to solve this. Now, question number 4. Louis has 12 crayons. 5 of the crayons are red. The rest are blue. So he has crayons. So in that 5 colors are red and the rest are blue. So how many crayons are blue? Now you have to find how many he has blue color crayons. So let's find how you have to going to do this. Now circle the numbers first, 12 and 5. So look here, 12 is in the place of sum. So 12 is the sum. So what do you have to draw here? So you will draw the 12 circles here. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have here 12. So now how much they say here? He has red color, 5. So let's make the circle for only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I made the circle for 5. Now how many are the remaining? Let's count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 7. So how many blue crayons he has? 7 blue crayons. So what is it? 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So 7 is your answer. Very good, everyone. Excellent. Faris, Noorleen, excellent. Usaid, excellent, everyone. The answer is 7. Now, let's move on to question number 5. 8 bugs are flying. 2 more bugs fly with them. So 8 bugs are flying and 2 more join them. So how many bugs are flying now? You have to do the simple addition. You have number 8 and number 2. First, let's circle the number 8 and 2. So now let's do 8 plus 2. So circle here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many here? 2. 1, 2. If you want, you can draw inside the box also. Let me draw inside the box. That will be easy for you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many here? 1, 2. So let's do the counting. What is 8 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is 8 plus 2? The answer is 10. So again, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Did you all understand how to do it? That's excellent, everyone. Adam, excellent. Liana, very good. Excellent. The answer is 10. Now again, question number 6. Some ducks are swimming in a pond. 3 more ducks swim in the pond. So some ducks are swimming, you don't know how many ducks, and 3 more come and join them. There are 6 ducks in the pond. So now all together there are 6. So how many ducks were in the pond before? So you have to find how many were before. So let's see. Now what is given here? The sum. Look, the sum is given. So when sum is given, what do? You draw here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then how many you have to find now? Look, it's already 3 given here. So let's circle the 3 on this side. So how many remaining? Let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3. So 3 ducks were in the pond before. So how many ducks were in the pond before? 3. So what is it? 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Did you all understand now? Now, moving to page number 34. Open page 34, everyone. Open page 34. Now again on page 34, question number 1. 3 bugs and 4 more bugs. You have 3 bugs and 4 more bugs. So what do? Draw the circles. 3, 1, 2, 3, plus how many more here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is 3 plus 4 equal to? The answer is 7. Did you all do it? Yes, Adamano said. Very good. The answer is 7. Now, question number 2. Again, you have 4 seals and 2 more seals. So, what is 4 plus 2? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many on the other side? 2. 1, 2. Now, let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is 4 plus 2? Equals 6. So your answer is 6. Now again, question number 3. There are 5 red marbles and 4 blue marbles. So you have 5 and 4. So how many marbles are there? So what is the number you are going to write here? First you have here 5 and 4. So let's write the number 5. What comes here? Plus or equal? Plus. Then again, which number? 4. So 5 plus 4. What will come here? Plus or equal to? Equal to. So what is the number? So 5 plus 4. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is 5 plus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 5 plus 4 equals? 9. So the answer will be 9. Right here, how many marbles? 9 marbles. Now, question number 4. There are 6 bunnies in the garden. More bunnies join them. So there are 6 already and more join them. You don't know how many. Then there are 8 bunnies in the garden. Look, they have given you the sum. This is the sum. It is 8. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are given here? How many bunnies were there in the garden? 6. So count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's circle 6 of them. So how many were remaining? So how many bunnies come and join them? Yes, the answer is 2 bunnies. 2 bunnies come and join them. So what is 6 plus 2 equals 8. Very good, everyone. Excellent, Faris, Nurlin. Very good. Did you all understand? Very good, everyone. Did you all finish? I'll show you the homework page. Yes, Zainab. Very good. The answer is 2. Now let me show you a homework page. So page number 34. Sorry. Yes, page number 35. You will be doing the homework. Question number 1, 2, and 3. Only this 3. Okay? Down, you're not going to do this. Only question number 1, 2, and 3. I repeat again. The homework is page 1, 2, 3.